how to fix you have not verified your Apple ID. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like you have not verified your Apple ID on the App Store. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings on your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll go search interface. So from your, you'll have to just tap on your Apple account. Alright, so from the Apple account, you'll be able to see such interface. So make sure that you have verified your ID with your email ID. So for that, you'll have to just go the option your personal information, and from there you'll have to just verify with your Gmail ID. So from there you can easily find options like verify with your Gmail or email ID. So from there you'll have to just verify with the verification code that you will receive on your Gmail. So after you verify with the verification code on this section, you'll be able to fix that problem. So now from there you can easily open the App Store, and from there you'll have to just log in with your Apple ID, and after you log in with your Apple ID, you'll be able to easily install application from the App Store. So from there you can easily use your Apple ID password. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.